Hi everybody, it's Gwen with Jordan Essentials, and I'm here to show you February's Joyful Jordan box. So if you've ever wanted to get started with essential oils but were clueless as to what to do with them, this is the box for you. This box is going to come with three, what I'm going to call starter bottles. It comes with a peppermint essential oil, it comes with lavender essential oil, and it also comes with lemon essential oil. Now these three bottles are used, there's different uses for essential oils. The lavender one is often used for soothing away stress and anxiety. It's a nice one to use before you go to sleep at night to help relax you, help your body relax. It's also safe enough to use for minor cuts and scrapes to help in the skin regeneration, to help with the skin healing up a little bit. You have the peppermint essential oil. It helps to refresh yourself, your mind, body, spirit. It helps sometimes with nausea, helps to take away that stomach kind of nausea feeling. It helps control odor. Put a few drops in your bathtub. It helps, relax with depression and things like that. It helps with stuffiness. So that is our peppermint, that is our peppermint oil. And then the lemon essential oil, of course, that one is your brighten up your mood. It's your citrus fragrance. It's often used to eliminate odors. It is used for cleaning. It helps to give a nice fresh scent and helps to clean. It has some antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. So those are the three oils you're going to get in the box. And along with that in the box, you're going to get an unscented shea butter. And you're going to get 2 unscented shower gels. Okay, so what we suggest to use these for, say you want to use the lemon to brighten up your day and you want to smell good, this is what you're going to do. Take a little bit of your shea butter, couple drops, this is called a palm blend, a couple drops of the oil in your hands, just rub it around like that, and you've got a really nice lemony fragrance, soft hands, that kind of thing. You can just mix it like that. You can use any of the essential oils in this way. You can use the essential oils also in your shower gels. We do recommend that you mix all oils with a carrier. A carrier helps to pull it into the skin, and it's just safer that way. So if you're interested in a starter kit for your essential oils and getting these 3 oils along with some unscented products, anyone who purchases one of the boxes, I will give you a copy of our hot sheets that will give you a little more information on the oils and how to use them. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching and have a great day.